welcome back to Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some banana pudding. For our banana pudding, you're going to need some vanilla wafers. You're going to need some bananas. You'll need 2 boxes of the banana cream jello, instant jello. And you're going to need some milk. You're going to need a whisk, a bowl to mix everything up in, and another bowl to put everything together in. Alright, guys, so let's get started. Okay, so in our bowl, we're just going to pour in our jello mix, just like this. Nothing heavy. Just a quick dessert that takes no time to make. Alright. Now you just pour about 4 cups of milk. And it really comes together without having to use a whisk. It comes together, guys. It comes together. It's already starting to thicken up. You just want to keep stirring until everything is dissolved. Now you can use a whisk. You can use a. Where's my brain at today? Electric mixer, hand mixer if you want, or you can use your stand mixer. But this is so easy. You can do it with your hand. You can see it's already thick, and I don't feel any more sugar crystals in the bottom. Alright, that's all you need. Now you just let it sit up for a few minutes, and I'll be back to show you what to do next. Okay, so you're going to need 3 to 4 bananas. Let's just peel that part off, and we're going to take it and cut it inside of the banana, just like this, on an angle. Now you can cut it straight strips if that's what you prefer, but I want mine on an angle. I like how it looks in my bowl, and that's how I'm going to use it. Now you can use as many bananas or as less bananas as you like. I'm using 3. Now, right on the angle. And if you need to use 4, by all means use 4. I usually only end up using 3, sometimes 3.5. It depends on how I stack the bananas and the wafers together. But I know I only use a half a box no matter what of the wafers. And I leave them in here. They don't oxidize as fast. That's why I like to cut them in their shell, in their peels. Okay, there. Our bananas is all cut. Alright, so we have our wafers ready to go. Our mixture has thickened up. So I'm going in with my cookies. I like to turn them bottom side up. Get in there. Now I do have several. I have a homemade banana pudding recipe, an eggnog banana pudding recipe. Y'all guys go look at those videos, check them out. And guys, let me know in the comment section how y'all guys like to do y'all banana pudding. So now, I'm going to take the bananas, lay them right on top, just like that. Get them in there. This is one of my son's favorite desserts. My husband too. Alright. Now we'll take our ready cream. Couple scoops right on in there. Now we repeat the process. Up. I'm gonna try to get it up against because it's on the glass. So we want it to look good all the way in. Just throw that broken one right in there, like that. Nobody's gonna see it. I like to get a good cookie to banana and pudding ratio going. And then that banana. All about the layering when it comes to banana pudding. Like I said, y'all do it how y'all want to. Got 2 big dollops of the pudding. Going in. Some more cookies. Telling you, isn't it beautiful already, guys? I'm not going to try this banana pudding at the end because it's so pretty. I just wanted it to be beautiful for my family. Going in. Couple more cookies. Alright. So, I just want to get these bananas in here. Like this. Guys, you know, once you dig in to those bananas, like this. Now, I'm going to add the rest of my pudding right on top. Now, you can add some whipped cream to this if you like. I'm just gonna do this. Make it pretty. Make it pretty. Scrape all of that out. I don't want to waste any. Alright. So we're gonna pop these two right in the middle. Pop this here. Just like that. Take 2 cookies, smash them up. Beautiful banana pudding, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, isn't that a beautiful thing? A banana pudding without having to do all of the work of the flour, the sugar, or the cornstarch and the sugar, the vanilla, smashing up those bananas, getting those ripe bananas in there. You didn't do any of that. All you did was whisk up some milk and got that. And really easy, beautiful work of art, guys. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.